Hello, my name is Lilish. In this tutorial, we're going to convert a simple granny square into a crochet heart. I am putting them together to do a table runner, and also I am making some mats. So let's go ahead and start our project. I'm using 3.25 mm and a fundamental cotton in white and in red. This is a very simple project and very easy for beginners. So we start by doing a magic ring. We crossed the yarn in this finger like that. We pull the first loop and we're going to make chain 3, 2, 3. The next thing we're going to do is a double crochet. Bring the yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2, yarn over, go around, bring the yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2, yarn over, pull the yarn to the front, pull through 2, pull through 2. That gives me 4 double crochet because we're going to count the first 3 chains up that we did. We're going to make 2 chain for the corner, and we're going to create another set of 4 double crochet for the next step. So yarn over, pull the working yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2. That's 1. Same steps. Pull through 2, pull through 2, yarn over, bring the working yarn from the back, pull through 2, pull through 2, and we repeat this to do 4 sets in total. So I have 2 sets here. Between the sets we chain 2, and we're going to do the third set of double crochet, which means 4 double crochet for the set. So that's 1, this is 2, 3, 4, chain 2, 4 more double crochet or the last set. This is 1, this is 2, 3, and 4. Going to pull the tail to close the ring, and that's closed like that. And we need to chain 2 to complete the 4th corner. We do slip stitch in there to close it up. And let me show you, we have the first round here. This one looks here, the square. For round number 2, we're going to do slip stitch to get us to the corner. Once we're in the corner, we're going to do the corners. 3, we chain 3. We're going to count that as 1 double crochet. We do 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet. To make the corner, we chain 2 and we do another set of 3 in the same spot. Set of 3 double crochet. That's 1, that's 2, and this is 3. In between the 2 corners right here, we make 1 chain, and we repeat the same in the corner, 3 and 2 sets of 3 with 2 chain in between. This is basic granny square. This is 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, we chain 2, 1 double crochet, 2, 3 and chain 1. We repeat in the next corner exactly the same. So we start with 1 double crochet, 2, 3, chain 2, 1 double crochet, 2, 3, 1 in between, 1 chain in between the corners, 1 double crochet, 2, 3, chain 2, 1, 2, 3, chain 1, and we're going to close and here. Going to make sure that we're going to close right here, there, with those slip stitch. We'll start with 1 chain for the next round, but let's see what we have. So we have the little granny square. This is going to go right there, like this is going to go like this. So we're going to do more here, and we're going to fill in this size on here to make it like a heart. We work on single crochet from this third round. So we do 1 chain, single crochet, and 1 single crochet. In the corner, we chain 2 to make this little area here, 1 single crochet. In this spot, every single stitch, we're going to do 1 single crochet. That's another single crochet, and we continue doing, including in this spot right here, we're going to do single crochet. The next one is right there, single crochet, and we continue until we get to the corner, which is this one. Once we get to the corner, if you remember, we are going to start building like this in here and this in here. So let's continue with triple crochet. Treble crochet, we're going to make 4 in here, 1 in here, and 4 in here. So let's do the first one. For treble crochet, we yarn over 2 times. We identify where we're going to make it. Pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. We do chain 1, yarn over 2 times because we're going to make 4 in the same spot, pull through 2, pull through 2, chain 1, yarn over 2 times, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, chain, yarn over 2 times, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, and right here we have 4. So we made 4 treble crochet, and now we're going to work in 1 as we discussed. We're going to put 1 in here and 4 in here. Chain 1, yarn over 2 times, we make 1 treble crochet right there, chain, yarn over 2 times, we go in this spot and we're going to make 4 right there, yarn over 2 times, and this is number 2 from that spot, chain 1, yarn over 2 times, and we do another 1 in here, and we need 1 more because we're making 4 in that spot. Pull through 2, pull through 2, and we have 9. In here we're going to do slip stitch, which is right here, or in this corner right there, or in the center. And so far we already have the shape of the heart. Let's continue with the other side. We're going to repeat this on the other side. We'll do 4 treble crochet in this spot, 1 in this spot, and 4 in this spot. Let's go ahead and yarn over 2 times. We have the spot there, pull through 2, pull through 2, and chain 1, yarn over 2 times, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, chain 1, yarn over 2 times. This is number 3 on this spot, and remember we are making 9 in total. Chain, we have number 4, we'll go right in the same spot, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, chain to go and create 1 in this little corner and this little stitch, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, chain, and we are going to do 4 more right here. So right here we're going to make 4 more. Take a look, it's looking like a heart already. We yarn over 2 times, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, chain. Remember, if my speed is too fast, you can always slow it down by playing the video in slower speed. So that's 1, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, chain 1, yarn over 2 times, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, and we have 1 more to make. Yarn over 2 times, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, and we're going to make a single crochet here. So we have already our shape for this single crochet. We continue up to here, we identify where the next stitch is, and we're going to make single crochet, single crochet, single crochet. Right here we have 1 more single crochet, and in here we will close, but instead of closing, which I'm going to close here traditional way just to show you what we have so far. So that's our heart right there, but then I want to do the white around, and for the white around I am going to make a just very simple chain looking that we need to incorporate the white. For the white, to add the white, I'm going to get rid of the last stitch. That was just for demonstration. We get both loops. We bring the white from the back. We tie the white in the back, we pull the white tail, pull the red in the back, and we do chain 1, 2, 3. We let that go, and then we skip one, and we bring this from the back, and we do 1, 2, 3. We let it go. We find the corner, the total pointy here. We bring it to the front, 1, 2, 3. We let it go. We skip one, and we go on to the next one. And then we go 1, 2, 3. Let it go. Skip and go to the next one. 1, 2, 3. Skip. Go to the next one. 1, 2, 3, and we continue this process all around. 1, 2, 3, skipping one stitch, and this cannot be in here in the front because then it gets bad. These have to go like this, and then we do 1, 2, 3. Take a look how this is coming along very nicely here. Okay, then we continue doing the stitches. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And we continue the same pattern. A little bit close. Go all the way around. So in here, we're going to make it right here. 1, 2, 3. Go and find the spot, so we're going to put it on there. Remember, we're skipping one, so we skip that and we go to this. Very easy project for beginners. Okay, so we continue. Very lovely, hard looking. Let's see what we got. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and continue up to here, and I'll see you shortly. It's completed this heart, and this is how I'm going to put them all together. I'm going to attach them all together, and I'm going to do a table runner with these hearts. I'll continue putting more in here. My next set is the white. Now to join this, I'm going to use this needle, and I'm going to tie small attachments in here, similar to what I did with this ones. That's how I attach them together. So that's the same way I'm going to attach these ones when I am done. I'm going to be making several of them to do the right now they're all separated, but that's how I'm going to organize them to be in this 3 and 3, and then I will put them together and I will have my table runner. Thank you for watching.